Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Amazon. So let's begin. First, go to the official website and make sure you are on the correct account. Over here, which it says Hello, Accounts and List, click on that. Then you will have various options. Click on Login and Security. They might ask for your password or send a code to your phone number or email. Just make sure to comply with that so you can proceed. Then over here, you have an option to change your email. Right on the right portion it says edit. Click on that. Then like this, change your email. This is your current email address and enter your new email address. Click continue and just make sure to read this because they will send you your new email address a one-time password or OTP to confirm. Once set up, then you can now use your new email for your future transactions in Amazon. I hope you found this video very helpful.